This video is actually a demonstration of how to use Wondershare Filmora to make videos. And the subject, of course, is one of our backyard squirrels. He's actually doing a lot of body maintenance here. Squirrel, even the ones in your backyards or in the city park, wherever you see them, they routinely have fleas and lice and mites and everything else. I tend to shoot these things in slow motion. This was done with a Nikon Z7 II with a Nikon 100 to 400 millimeter lens. Most of it shot at 400 millimeters through our patio window. So if it seems a little bit out of focus, shooting through the glass may be the reason. But this squirrel has plenty of ectoparasites to work with. Probably scratching a flea there behind his right leg. And pretty soon he's going to work on other parts of his body, turning around, trying to check out his progress. The board that it's standing on is part of a bungee cord toy. And you can actually, down on the lower right, see that what looks like a spring. There's a corn cob on the bottom of that toy. And of course, the squirrels learn pretty quickly to jump up there on that corn cob and get off some kernels. I don't know why, but they really tend to bite off the ends of those kernels and leave a lot of good carbohydrate behind. One time while I was studying one of these squirrels up on this board, it reached down there and pulled that corn cob up. And I thought that was kind of a creative thing for a squirrel to do. And I was kind of surprised at that. And he even got it on video somewhere. Okay, now it's time to work on your right flank. So I don't know the difference between chewing and scratching, whether there's maybe a mite or a louse down there that's attached that squirrel's trying to get off with its teeth. How much energy do squirrels spend scratching and cleaning up themselves? Yeah, a reasonable amount. Now it's going to work on its nose and its wrist and its upper arm. So I made this video using Filmora, Wondershare Filmora. And what I normally do is just take some still pictures and use those as the opening scene and also the back end credit. And you may have seen that at the opening, but you'll see another one on the end, along with my website, which has a place to order my latest book out in August entitled Life Lessons from a Parasite. Well, this squirrel is getting a lot of life lessons, and the lesson is how to scratch those parasites and hopefully clean some of them off, although I don't know the success. There you go. Use that hind leg. So a lot of times if you're watching birds, you'll find them also spending, and especially ducks, for example, they spend a lot of time on grooming and self-maintenance. Okay. Finished washing its paws by licking them off. Yep, that's you getting filmed, or at least video captured. Okay, we're about through with this voyeuristic look at a backyard squirrel.